How does Rocket Money know what subscription you have? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Rocket Money, a personal finance app that can help you save money on your monthly bills. I've been using Rocket Money for a while now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool. One of the things I like best about it is that it can automatically track your subscriptions and let you know if you're being charged for services you're not using. In this video, I'm going to show you how Rocket Money works and how you can use it to save money on your subscriptions. How does Rocket Money work? Rocket Money works by connecting to your bank account and credit cards. It then analyzes your transactions to identify any recurring charges. Once it has identified your subscriptions, it will show you a list of all of your active subscriptions, as well as any subscriptions that you're not using. Rocket Money also allows you to cancel subscriptions with a single click. This can be a great way to save money if you're not using a subscription or if you're looking to switch to a cheaper alternative. How can you use Rocket Money to save money on your subscriptions? There are a number of ways that you can use Rocket Money to save money on your subscriptions. Identify and use subscriptions. Rocket Money can help you identify subscriptions that you're not using. Once you've identified these subscriptions, you can cancel them to save money. Negotiate better rates. Rocket Money can help you negotiate better rates on your subscriptions. If you're not happy with the rate you're paying for a subscription, you can use Rocket Money to contact the company and ask for a discount. Find cheaper alternatives. Rocket Money can help you find cheaper alternatives to your current subscriptions. If you're looking to save money on a subscription, you can use Rocket Money to compare prices from different providers. Get cashback on your subscriptions. Rocket Money offers a cashback program that allows you to earn money back on your subscriptions. Set up price alerts. Rocket Money allows you to set up price alerts for your subscriptions. This means that you'll be notified if the price of one of your subscriptions changes. Use Rocket Money's budgeting tool. Rocket Money offers a budgeting tool that can help you track your spending and save money. Use Rocket Money's bill negotiation service. Rocket Money offers a bill negotiation service that can help you negotiate lower rates on your bills. Rocket Money is a great tool that can help you save money on your subscriptions. If you're looking to save money, I highly recommend giving Rocket Money a try. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, you can click on the link below to sign up for a free trial. Rocket Money website, https://app.rocketmoney.com. Rocket Money blog, https://www.rocketmoney.com/learn. Rocket Money YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/c/rocketmoneyofficial. Thank you for watching.